Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to do music visualizer for free. So first things first, you'll need an Avi player, which is right here. You can find it in the App Store, Avi Player Pro. You want to install it and open it. And when you're loading into it, you should see all your music that you have downloaded to your device. And you would want to select one. I'm gonna select this one, and I'm gonna go to 3 bars on top, and I'm gonna go into visualizer. This is where everything is all up to you. There are so many other visualizers. You can find them with the 3 cubes right next to the pen. You're gonna click on it, and there are many visualizer options. I'm gonna go with this one. 3 in the 9 cubes right next to the pen. I'm gonna pick this one right there. That one. And around this empty town. That's your visualizer. I'm gonna click on the pen right next to the down arrow. And the image, the word image right underneath audio provider, you wanna click on that. This would be your background image. So I'm gonna pick this one for my background image. You can change the colors of your background image, but remember, the background image is underneath audio provider. Right underneath it, it should say image. You want to click color, and you can change the colors to whatever you want. I'm just gonna do a random color for right now. Now I want to change the logo that says Diamond Eyes. I want to change it. So you would click on image right underneath blur effect. And click on image again. Click in the empty square. Pick image. And you would pick your own image. I'm going to pick this one. And that would be your image. You don't care, you're unaware. You can find many effects. You can find blur effect. You can do bars, which basically is the those things sticking out of the logo. You can click on app logo. Honestly, guys, maybe it's good if you guys just explore this and figure out what you like about this. There's so many things to do that I can't all explain in this whole video, but honestly, just explore all your options. And when you're done with everything and you like what you got, click on the down arrow right next to the pen. Select all your options that you would want here, but I'm just gonna go ahead and click export. I'm on my own, broken alone. I feel the rain crashing. After you have exported it, it should be here in your gallery or photos, just on your phone. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe, and if you guys have any questions, email me. I have my email in the description below, or you can just comment down in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. See ya, guys.